Plant cells and animal cells, their compositions and their differences. Here are the shared parts of plants and animal cells. Um, they're both eukaryotic cells, and they have many different organelles, as you can see in the diagram here. Um, they share a lot of the same organelles, though, such as the nucleus, nucleolus, the nuclear envelope, cytoplasm, and cytosol. Their cytoskeleton is also the same, and they both have cell membranes. They have mitochondrion, which are shown here and here, ribosomes, which are in the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, peroxisomes, and they both have vacuoles. The difference between animal cells is they are smaller generally than plant cells. They have multiple vacuoles that are much smaller and non-permanent. The nucleus is always positioned in the middle of the cell, and they store food in the form of glycogen. These are the two animal cell exclusive organelles, centrosomes and lysosomes. Centrosomes are organelles that pull the cell's genetic material to each side of the cell before they split, and lysosomes digest food particles, and they're considered the recycling plant of the animal cell. Here are the plant cell differences. There's one large vacuole, this in the middle here, that stores water. The nucleus is closer to the membrane of the cell. It's not positioned in the center. They have cell walls, which are rigid structures that hold the cell together, and they're rectangular in shape because of the cell wall. Here are the two plant cell exclusive organelles, chloroplasts and vacuoles. Chloroplasts are how a plant cell synthesizes food through photosynthesis, and the large central vacuole that plant cells have takes up most of the cell, and it helps maintain the water balance and keeps the cell wall rigid.